Hi guys, how are all of you doing? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tanasha and today I'm going to talk to you about 5 products that help my skin get better. So I have an acne prone skin and I had been terribly breaking out from the month of November. So I tried a lot of products, a lot of them did work, a lot of them did not work, and then I zeroed down on 5 products that I can really use and that will help my skin. So let's get started. The first product is New Herb Fish Oil Tablets. I think fish oil tablets are really good for your health. It will do no harm even if you try these products. I use it from this brand called New Herbs. It's available on Amazon. So this is how the product looks. It claims that it supports heart, brain and eyes, and it also supports your skin and teeth health. It also helped my hair look better. So I highly recommend this. I did try a lot of other brands in fish oil tablets, but I didn't really like them because they ended up giving me fishy burps, or I couldn't swallow them, or I felt like it didn't really help my skin. So this brand is something that I highly recommend. Next product that I have is the Vitamin C Moisturizer from Body Shop. The Vitamin C Moisturizer is amazing. It is a gel-based moisturizer. Smells amazing. It smells like oranges and it's really good for your skin, especially if you have acne. I picked up this product from my dad's drawer and I started using it, and I realized that every time I'm going to have a pimple and I use it on it or on my face, they do not really become bigger. So that's the reason I really recommend this product. I've been using it for the past 4 months. This is my 4th bottle. That I have here is a face cleaning brush. This is how it looks. I actually used to use another brush which was from Vega. It only retailed for 300 rupees. And that was also amazing, but that stopped working. So I thought of investing more on it because I use it on a weekly basis, not daily. I use it once or twice a week. And I bought 2 brushes. One was from Brown and one was from this brand called Lifelong. The good part about this is that, about Lifelong brush is that it moves in a circular motion and it helps in removal of dirt and blackheads. Whereas Brown, the problem with that is it moreover works like a massager. So I use it like once in a month or so. And that's actually even more expensive. The next product that I have here is called Purity. It's from this brand called Oriana and it's an acne dissolver gel. I absolutely love this product. I got it as a PR package and a friend also had recommended this. And this works wonders on your skin. So whenever I have like an acne, like it pops out, I just use it and overnight it kind of disappears. Not disappears, but then it reduces and you can just see the mark and it doesn't really become as big as it usually does and it doesn't form any pus. So I highly recommend this product as well. This is how it looks. But not the least, guys, my favorite and what I have been using for the past 12 years is the Himalaya Neem Face Wash. Here it is. Himalaya Neem Face Wash has been the most effective thing that I have been using for years and I have not changed from there. I did use Kama Ayurveda products in between, but I still use them sometimes. But I highly recommend this if you guys are breaking out. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Other tips that I can give you is that if you have a pimple on your face and it really hurts, use a cold compress on it. It really helps your acne get better and the pain also reduces. And drink lots and lots of water, eat healthy. That's about it. I hope you guys like this video. Do tell me in the comment section below what you would like to watch, and also subscribe to my channel. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much.